Hello everybody, I have a really cool trick to show you on how to keep yourself cool in a hot summer day without air conditioning. So here it is. This is actually a really simple life hack I'm showing you right now. So what you want to do is get your bath towel or whatever, dip it in some ice water. In this case I just use regular tap water and put it in the freezer for about half an hour. It gets cold enough. And then put a fan in front of it. This is how evaporative cooling works. I'm already feeling some cold air here. This house does not have air conditioning, and yesterday we just had about 99 degrees. So that's like a degree away from 100, and it's like really hot. And here's no air conditioning here, so but yeah, because I can't afford it. But this is a great way to keep yourself cool without AC and keep your energy bill down too. And it's gonna drop the room temperature by like a few degrees. It is currently about 90 degrees in the living room. It's gonna probably drop it down to about 85 or maybe 80 if you're lucky. So yeah, this is a really cool trick on how to keep cool. Thanks for watching. As always, don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell.